Hi, welcome to the first tutorial for Prezi, an exciting new way of deploying presentational material that's non-linear. And as you can see, we've opened the program and I'm just going to give you a quick run through of what we've actually got. The white area in the center is your world, and depending upon how much you zoom out and zoom in, that allows you to place your content in that world for you to use. At the top you have a save button, a back button, and other buttons that allow you to do a number of things. There's a help button to give you content, a print button to allow you to print off a screenshot, meetings if you want to actually invite people in to help you edit, and an exit button to get you out of the actual program itself. Here we have two zoom buttons, a zoom in and a zoom out button. The interesting buttons are here, which is this little wheel with lots of little round things on, and what you've actually got is an insert tab, which lets you bring files in, PDFs, images in PDF form because they don't break up, things like that, PowerPoint converted to PDF, movies, that type of thing. You have a frame button where you can place frames around your content, and we'll look at that later. The path button, which allows you to choose where you want to go. The colour button, which we'll use in a second to set up the template that you want, and the show button to actually look at what you're looking at. So we're going to start off by setting a scene that we want, and at this point we can choose from a number of different templates of what we would like. So I'm going to choose that one, and you can see it's glossed over now and it's now turned to blue. All of the features in this are standard, so what we're going to do is we're then going to go to the theme wizard and decide what we want. I'm going to keep the background as it is. I'm going to look at complementary colours, so you can see here it says title 1, and obviously I can choose a colour then that might or might not suit. It depends what my personal tastes are or what I'm trying to achieve with the learners that I've got. So I'm going to go for a nice pale blue. On title 2, which is up there, you can see that's slightly lighter than the other one. I'm quite happy with that. That's a nice title. And the body of the work, which is this bit here, I'm going to create a nice deep red because I think red looks nice against that. I'm then going to look at the different types of frames. You know, I could choose a yellow, that brightens it up nicely, makes it stand out, and this is only for tutorial purposes so that you can see what you want. Arrows and lines, could have a nice purple. Brackets and frames and rectangles, I'm going to do something similar and create one that goes, and as you can see I'm moving my way through the colours to see which ones suit the writing that I have underneath it best. So I'm going to go for a black because that makes the reds and the blues stand out quite nicely. And then a highlighter, you can do exactly the same. You can look at with the red that you've got and see what stands out. So I'm going to choose those and say that's okay. So that has now created that world, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to save that so that it keeps all the settings that I want. So now we have the template set up. That's the introduction to this part. On the second part we'll start actually creating something. Thank you very much.